What's up, gang? I just bought a bike. You can see it right behind me for 150 bucks on Facebook Marketplace. The seller was asking $450 for their bike. I offered him 100, and then I countered to 150. Now let's take a quick look at the bike. As you can see, it's not a bad bike, but it does have some wear on it. For example, you can see that the tape bar is totally bad and needs to be replaced, and you can also see that it has a lot of rust on the chain. Okay, so I don't teach in my book on flipping bikes to do any repairs, so I'm not going to do any repairs. I don't do fix and flips. All I do is buy bikes from Motivated Seller, and then I wash them, take great pictures of them, and I'll turn around and flip it. Make on this bike, I can sell it easily as is, $500 to $400. So again, I bought this bike for $150, and I'm gonna flip it for $400 to $500 bucks. If I put it for $400, it'll sell in a matter of a couple of days, maybe even 24 hours. If I put it for $500, it may sell in a week or two. Okay, so that's the difference between pricing it. Now, why did this seller sell me this bike? Well, she didn't need it. It was been sitting in there. She was pretty well off, so I just picked her up from her house. I'm actually charging up my car right now because I have an EV car, and I sold my Mercedes SL 550 a while back. I became a minimalist, so I ride bicycles all the time, and if I want to go somewhere, I take my EV car. But if you're interested in learning how to flip bikes, learning exactly what bikes to buy, what not to buy, how to give offers to sellers so they accept your offer, then you might consider joining and downloading the new flip. The new flip is basically a bicycle course that I show you how to exactly copy and paste offers to sellers and get deals like this where you can 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 6x, 7x your money. That means you put $100 in and turn it to $700 in a matter of days. Okay. On top of that, besides the book, you also get coaching because I'm so confident in my product that it's going to make you a win if you take action on it. So I want to back it up with 100% free coaching. So when you buy my book, you get a lifetime access to me on Facebook groups. You can ask any and every question, and from all my experience, I'll help you out, make sure you score a goal. So if you're interested in flipping bikes, download the new flip. There's a link below. Again, I bought this bike for $150. I'm going to flip it for $400 to $500 in a matter of days. All I'm going to do is wash it. I'm not going to fix the chain. You see the rust on it. I'm not going to fix anything on the bike. I'm just going to wash it, take amazing pictures of it, stage it, write a good copy, which all that stuff is in my book, how to take pictures of it. I'll give you the copy, the sales copy when you want to sell the bike. I give you the sales copy to buy the bikes at a deep discount, because it's all about proven strategy. And I've been, a real estate investor. I've been an entrepreneur since high school, never had a job. So you're downloading my brain, plus my systems, plus coaching for just $199 at the new flip. So go to thenewflip.com or myrealestatedojo.com and download the new flip and get the coaching. I'll be there to hold your hand. Good luck to you. Always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you imagine. This is Mike with MrNoFluff.com. All you need is $100 to be your dreams in America. Peace.